Are you looking for a way to market your service or product? Have you ever used video marketing? Why video marketing? Video explainer/whiteboard animation. Do you know using a video explainer makes your audience easier to understand your products and service than usual advertising? Video explainer explains what's the problem, what's your service or product, and how your service or product can help their business. Video explainer is proven to attract 80% more viewers than any other form of advertisement. Video explainer is also proven to convert 56% more sales. But video animation is known to be high cost. Engaging a video animation agency could cost you hundreds of dollars per minute for a video. But now you've found us on Fiverr. Now you can have your own video animation at low cost. Click on my gig now. My service is only available on fiverr.com.